Storm Center 7 forecast. That's weather coverage you can count on.
So, hey guys.
Hey! Look at this, gang's all back together.
It's been a while since we've had all three of us.
Yeah, I just decided not to show up for work last week. You know, I had better things to do.
Hey, and McCall was on vacation.
Yes,
He had
well
Dante filling in.
I know.
Yes.
You were
Worked the tail off.
so disappointed that I took a few days off that you had to take a few
I'm
days
like,
off.
if McCall's taking them off, I'm taking them too.
That's right.
Hey, I tell you what, chilly today, but I like what your forecast has to show in your 5-day forecast.
Yeah, we have some dry weather and some warmer temperatures. It's going to feel a little bit more like the middle of October rather than the middle of December with these warmer temperatures ahead. But for right now, let's take a look at satellite and radar. All is quiet for us locally. Notice there is a lot of clouds still left over, but some breaks in the clouds across the north and west will start to break further to the south, and that will lead to a chilly night ahead. In fact, temperatures are sitting right around that freezing mark in many spots locally. We're at 32 in Dayton, we're at 31 in Urbana, 32 in Sydney. I only point this out because it gives you an idea as to how far it's going to fall late tonight with your temperatures. So out the door in the morning, grab that heavy jacket. 24 degrees is what it will be at daybreak, and the wind chill factor early on will be sitting in the upper teens to low 20s. So a heavy jacket, the hats and the gloves early tomorrow, and a medium, maybe even a large cup of coffee or cocoa because of that cold weather that's still in place. Now tomorrow afternoon, we'll get to about 39, 40 degrees or so for a high. That is actually close to average for this time of year, believe it or not. We'll be in those 30s through much of the day and cooling quickly once we get past sunset tomorrow night. Our 5-day trend, this is what James was talking about. Look at these temperatures, 40 degrees as I mentioned tomorrow, when we typically should be at around 41. Wednesday, 48, and then 51 on Thursday, which happens to be the first day of Hanukkah, so a very mild start to the holiday there. And I know that Molly's really excited just off camera here about Hanukkah coming up. Rain chances, you can see, are going to increase as we move into the weekend. We'll be dry through sunset on Friday right now. That's looking how the picture is shaping up for us. But Saturday is going to be a wet day, and it's also going to come in with some windy conditions as well. So your weekend in view is shaping up like this. We are going to have a wet and windy day on Saturday, 51 degrees, mild. But as that system starts to pull to the east, we will see some colder air starting to push in. So if you're making plans for the weekend, be mindful of this. 39 degrees will be our high on Sunday, with a few leftover showers or perhaps a flurry as well, as those temperatures are going to be falling back through those 30s. We'll pretty much hold in the 30s throughout the day, most likely feeling like the low 30s or upper 20s as those winds kick up. So your 5-day forecast recap for you. You can see tomorrow we'll have a little bit in the way of sunshine, near normal, 40 degrees after a cold start in the 20s. 48 on Wednesday, 51 on Thursday. We'll have sunshine to start Friday, but clouds increase with that rain chance Friday night, and we get to the mid-50s. Wet, windy, and mild for us on Saturday.
Thank you, McCall. While the Navy could not hold a public ceremony this year,